There is a new crypto mining malware, dubbed HolesWarm, making the rounds. The malware is using, or probably more precise, exploiting more than 20 known vulnerabilities in Linux and Windows servers in order to infect and spread. This includes well-known vulnerabilities in Apache Tomcat, Jenkins and Struts2. Over 1,000 servers have already been compromised, especially in the cloud environment, and the numbers are still increasing. This of course shows that patching in time is very important. Once a server is compromised, a classical Monero cryptocurrency miner is installed to generate profits for the cybercriminals. The malware is still under heavy development, so it is expected to add more exploits for known vulnerabilities in the near future. Acronis Cyber Protect can help you to automate patching and therefore ensure that the worm does not find a way in. And even if it does, the threat-agnostic Cryptominer protection will block and remove the threat from your server.